am participating in a cookie exchange collab hosted by Catford from 7 Farm and Kitchen and Shauna from Mrs. Dickinson. And there will be a playlist, and I will have both of these ladies' videos linked down below. So make sure you check out the playlist and Shauna's and Kat's channel. Especially the playlist because it's going to have tons of Christmas cookie inspiration. The cookies that I picked out are no bake, and they're very simple to make. There's very few ingredients. So I'm going to get started and show you what you need and how you make it. I'm making a double batch, so you will need some walnuts. You will need about 150 grams of walnuts. You will need 200 grams of cookie graham crackers. These are the ones I use because I love them, and for me they taste the best, but any will do. And then Nutella. So you need about 500 grams of Nutella. So there's about 1 kilogram in here. So I will be using the whole thing because I'm doing a double batch, but if you're doing a single batch, you only need half. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grind up my walnuts. I don't do quite well with walnuts. I was hoping to find hazelnuts because walnuts make my mouth itch a little bit, but I couldn't. The store that I went to didn't have hazelnuts, so I'll just do walnuts.
Okay, our report's all squared away. Thanks so much for your today. We really appreciate it.
So I like using the manual one because it gets them ground up really fine. Then I'm going to measure out 400 grams of the graham crackers, crumbs.
But somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe.
Now I'm going to add the whole thing of Nutella. Excuse me while I go lick my fingers. Now I'm going to mix this up.
I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show.
I'm going to use my hands. I'm going to form them into balls. So I'm adding more crumbs over here so I can roll these into a ball, and then I'm going to roll them here, and I'm going to put them over here, and then they're gonna go in a freezer to freeze a little bit, and then I'm going to be storing them in this container that I picked up at the dollar store. It's a food safe container, comes with the lid, and I will be separating the layers with parchment paper. for the balls, forming of the balls, I'm just using a small scoop from Pampered Chef. And that gives me a perfect size. Give it a little roll. And roll them in. Here they are, all done. I got 91 truffles. So I'm going to put them in a freezer for about 2 hours, and then I'm going to transfer them into the container and into the freezer. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you are brand new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe, stick around. I do cooking recipe type of videos once or twice a week. So lots of content for you to watch. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. I would also like to thank Kat and Shauna for hosting this collab, and don't forget to check out the playlist down below.